This is the unboxing of the i7S headphones by TWS. The case, which is the size of a deodorant stick, has a power on button and a charging port on the back. The foam padding is surprisingly thin for this product. Put that away for now. On cursory glance, these ones are thicker and fatter than the leading competitors' ones. The stems are definitely not beam-forming microphones. They have physical buttons to control audio playback. The microphone is actually here in the little hole at the back. These two holes at the bottom is for charging the headphones, which make contact with two pins at the bottom of the case. When they're plugged into the case, they don't fall out. I'm going to be trying these for a few days and I'll get back to you with a follow-up.